Hey, what's going on, my friends? In this video, we are going to dive into drone insurance, specifically Thimble and their policy. I think a lot of people out there are, getting drones for recreational purposes. Maybe they're getting a drone for their small business to help with marketing. Whatever the reason is, you definitely want to consider getting drone insurance to make sure you are covered and good to go in case anything does potentially happen. But before we jump into it, if you guys haven't yet, like this video, subscribe to the new channel, hit that notification bell so you don't miss a video. So as I mentioned, we are here on Thimble's website. And as you can see, just off the bat, on-demand liability insurance for commercial and recreational drone flights. And coverage, liability insurance, and $10 million limit is what I see right here. So, hey, seems like a lot of money. And it seems like you'll probably be good, regardless of what you potentially deal with. Hopefully nothing happens, no accidents, but in case something happens, you'll be good to go. And that's their 4-hour policy, it looks like right there. But pretty simple for how it works, because this is like an on-demand policy, unlike their other policies that they offer that are kind of annual. Maybe they're monthly, but they're definitely not on demand like this. I will say that I have links to other types of insurance policies that, Thimble and Geico and Next Insurance and others provide to those of you who are self-employed, who are sole proprietors, freelancers, independent contractors, and small business owners. I will have links to those down in the description area, so definitely consider checking those out. But diving back into the drone liability insurance, how it works is you're going to tell them where you're going to be flying, and we tell you the price. So literally, you're going to say, hey, I'm flying in the Berkshires in Western Massachusetts, or I'm flying out in the boonies of Idaho or somewhere in California. Then they'll basically get back to you and say, okay, to fly in that area, this is how much it's potentially going to cost. Then you can fly any drone that meets your policy's weight limit, immediate proof of insurance, even for flights down the road. Policies can apply to any location where drone flights are allowed. That's the key thing, where drones flights are allowed. And with one for an 8-hour policies, you can fly once or make a day of it. Lastly, liability limits up to $10 million underwritten by Global Aerospace Inc. And you can see their app features. You're pretty much going to do most of this communication and everything with them through their app. And the app is going to feature real-time pricing. So you're going to be able to get an instant geolocation-based policy price that's based on exactly, where you are at that time, at that moment. It's going to tell you how much it's going to cost. You can fly your fly area pricing, so you'll pay only where you fly up to a 2-mile radius. So you can say you're here in this particular area and you're only going to pay for up to a 2-mile radius. And then flight time, you can choose 1, 4, or 8-hour sessions. You can choose your limit, so policies go up to $10 million are available, and you can fly now or later, instantly get a certificate of insurance for now or for flights up to 60 days in the future. So you can basically plan, if you know you have an upcoming job with a client and it's a real estate client who needs you to do aerial shots of their new house or construction or something. Well, you can plan accordingly and get this ironed out, get it taken care of, up to, I think it said 60 days down the road, where if they say, hey, we just need to make sure you're insured in advance before we move forward, you can sign up for this, get the quote, make it happen, and then just send over to that prospective client the contract or your certificate of insurance, your COI. And that will hopefully allow you to make some more money, continue to do what you love doing, growing your business and flying your drone and whatnot. So I did want to make this video and make sure you guys know that there is there's such thing as drone insurance, drone liability insurance, which will help protect you in case there are any accidents while you are flying your drone, whether it's recreational or for business purposes. Because again, the goal of this channel is to help you guys with not only making money, but saving, managing, and growing your money. And I think having the right kind of insurance policy will definitely help you with doing so. And on that note, I'm going to keep it moving, but let me know if you guys have any questions, any thoughts, any feedback. Have you worked with Thimble in their drone liability insurance. How was it? Was it a good experience? Not so good experience? Have you worked with someone else instead? Leave some comments down below. Let us know about your experiences, and if you are someone thinking about getting it and you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment with your question. I'll try to answer it to the best of my ability, or hopefully someone else out there who might know the answer can also get back to you. And now, on that note, if you haven't liked the video yet, show a brother a little appreciation for making this video. I appreciate you guys for watching the video and making it through this far. And like I said, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Now, on that note, I'm going to keep it moving, but you guys already know. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.